Welcome.
So today I'm going to be speaking about my presentation, how to give a bad presentation.
What is this?
You should read it from a paper like this and torn in the middle. Today I'm going to be giving a presentation on how to give a bad presentation. And I guarantee if you listen to me for the next few minutes, you will become the worst presenter. Not just out of this room, but on this planet. Next slide. April. That's how it should be. You should commit spelling mistakes. You should have bad communication skills. You shouldn't speak well. And if possible, please commit grammatical mistakes as well. You should dress like me. You should never wear formal during a bad presentation. You can have a dog or cat logo like this. You can wear leather shoes. You shouldn't wear leather shoes. In fact, you should wear sneakers. And regarding girls, I am not expert in that area, so I won't be speaking about that. Okay, choose some irritating color like this one. Or this. Can be anything. Go ahead. Anyone knows what's a DPI? Yes, you should use images with maximum millions and trillions of DPI so that it's eye-soaring to your audience. So next. Audience, okay. This is an interesting one. Okay. Never be interactive to your audience. Never ever. Make sure that the person sitting in the last corner of the room is sleeping. If he or she is not sleeping, just give him a sleeping pill. If not a sleeping pill, just ask any embarrassing question. Sir, did you brush your teeth today? Never ever practice. Because practice makes sometimes even women. Body language. Okay. You should have weird body language. You can be robotic. You can just put your both legs together and speak like this. And when you have to see the left audience, put your face towards left and you put towards right. This should be the body language. Or just stand in the like this. This should be the body language. Enthusiasm. Either you should be very much enthusiastic about your project, about your presentation, or just be normal. Don't be any enthusiastic. How to give a bad presentation. This is how it should be. Next. Breath control. Okay, this is a very important topic and you should all work on it. Thanks to Bhuvna ma'am to arranging a yoga session. You should have a breath control technique, good breath control technique. It's an ancient art. And you should try pranayama. Just do like this. Listen to me. Take breath inward. Do like this for do like this 3 times or 4 times in a second so that you have a good breath. Or just do not breath at all. Shouldn't be SME. Anyone knows what's SME?
Subject matter expert.
Exactly. You shouldn't be subject matter expert. Don't Google, don't Wikipedia, don't YouTube your topic. Don't know anything about it. Because Google is anyways a crappy stuff. Next. No voice modulation. You shouldn't have any kind of voice modulation. For example, I'll tell you how not to do. The reason we are born on this planet was to win, and to win. Don't do like this because this is a voice modulation. You should do like this. The reason you are born on this planet is to win, and to win. Okay, more is less, definitely. Anyone from electronic background? Yes. Lot of guys. Do you understand this circuit? No. This is how it should be. Your audience shouldn't understand any kind of circuit. You should put up the most complex circuit on the planet. Anybody know what ITMC is? No. That's good. Audience gesture. Make sure that your audience have some weird gesture. Don't ever tell them to clap or praise. Just tell them to do boo, any kind of weird gestures. Next. That's how it should be. You shouldn't write thank you or anything. No thanks.